Watch the helplessness of the tree cutters as a towering tree crashes into their pool, instantly turning the water murky. The dramatic impact leaves everyone stunned and the pool transformed in seconds. The creation of traditional Korean wooden dining tables is a meticulous process where craftsmen carefully select, cut, and shape the wood, then assemble it with precision, honoring age-old techniques to produce elegant, culturally rich tables. The West Bundle Sage is a specialized firewood saw designed for efficiency. Logs are clamped in place, and a 70-plus horsepower tractor moves the saw to the cutting location. With a push of a button, the 0.4-inch thick saw teeth cut through the wood from bottom to top, slicing it to the desired length. Wood carving typically involves chisels and knives, but this craftsman takes it to the next level, using a chainsaw with remarkable skill to create intricate designs. Watch the Steel MS661C chainsaw effortlessly slice through a massive ash log, turning it into perfect firewood. Its powerful performance and precision make quick work of even the toughest wood. Felling trees near your home is a high-stakes challenge. One wrong move, and the tree could come crashing down right on your house at any moment. The Pinosa CPE 1200V01 is a versatile firewood processor, ideal for various log sizes, up to 480 millimeters in diameter and 10 meters in length. Operated by just one person, it runs on a diesel engine and features automatic loading and a 45-ton splitter for customizable firewood blocks. The Timber Pro TL745D Feller Buncher dominates timber harvesting in New Hampshire with its powerful C9.3 engine, slicing through large trees with ease. Its advanced control systems and rugged maneuverability boost productivity while protecting the forest environment. Introducing the Maho Slicer Dicer, a revolutionary firewood processor designed for high efficiency and precision. With its 800mm wide blade, it effortlessly slices through tough logs, while 4 additional blades dice the wood into perfectly uniform pieces. The Barco 930B from Traxplus, powered by a 320 horsepower Cummins QSL 8.9-liter T4F engine, excels in performance. Its hydraulic load sensing system adjusts connections for maximum efficiency and reliability. The Hexatrem Volvo FMX Susano Wood Transport, this massive 54-meter marvel, consisting of Volvo FMX trucks and 6 semi-trailers, designed for Susano's eucalyptus pulp operations. It's not just one machine, but a powerhouse combination for moving huge volumes of wood. The RCA 480 models with cutting-edge technology, they transform logs into firewood efficiently and with minimal energy. Switching from transport to work mode is swift and seamless. This DIY wood splitter, crafted from scrap metal and featuring a 24-way wedge, showcases impressive ingenuity. Though it's rough around the edges and requires some fine-tuning, it effectively gets the job done. The Becker T28 is a versatile disc trencher designed for tough terrain. Its adjustable disc can tilt left, right, or face any direction, handling everything from rough land to cleared spaces. The Marshall tree saw is fascinating for its versatility and efficiency in clearing obstacles like rocks and dirt. Notably, the 1600 model has received high praise for its hydraulic system and powerful 41-centimeter circular saw. Watch the impressive process as the vertical conveyor system moves a massive log from outside the mill into the cutting area. Powerful machinery works in perfect harmony to lift, transport, and position the log, preparing it for precise cutting. The Pezzolato TLA15 ETB 900 combines two powerful machines for efficient firewood processing. The T5 disc processor transforms irregular logs into uniform sizes, while the TB900 splitter uses 40 tons of force to break them down further. The Sherwood machines can handle logs up to 20 feet long and 1.25 feet wide. With a cylinder head spinning at 950 RPM and milling spindles at 300 RPM, they make the job much easier. When forklifts aren't available to unload timber from transport trucks at the factory, manual labor steps in. Just like the workers in this video, they carefully lower the heavy bundles of wood by hand. Skilled craftsmen meticulously and artfully carve into a massive log, shaping it with precision to create the stunning framework for a beautiful wooden house. Their dedication and expertise are evident in every detail of the intricate design. Watch in awe as the massive saw glides effortlessly through each layer of the large timber inside the sawmill. With surgical precision, the saw slices through the wood, turning a colossal log into perfectly cut planks. The Vermeer WC 2300 XL whole tree chipper transforms large logs into top-quality wood chips, enhancing efficiency and sustainability in woodworking. I was blown away by the world of woodworking with CNC machines, wood engravers, and lathes. Watch as cutting-edge tech, like CNC robots, crafts a nearly 5-meter-long canoe mold from MDF, demonstrating incredible precision and the ability to handle up to 500 kilograms. Hamilton Lee Supply excels in sourcing and shipping premium wood slabs. Watch as they transform a silver maple tree into live edge slabs, preserving the tree's natural contours and beauty. After harvest, each bundle of timber is hauled by the CAT 525C to a collection point, ready for transport. This robust machine ensures smooth and efficient movement of logs from the forest to the staging area. The Cobra 593 by Jens GmbH is a versatile 3-axle chipper truck measuring 7.9 meters long, 2.5 meters wide, and 4 meters high. With its 820 millimeter grinder blade, it handles timber up to 560 millimeters in diameter, perfect for medium to large jobs. Meet a Terra with an easily removable cover, allows for versatile cutting and adapts to various conditions. A Terra handles trees up to 12 inches wide with ease, operating smoothly without wear. Assembling a wooden house starts with cutting and preparing timber to precise dimensions. On site, the timber is assembled by connecting the main frames and structural components. Walls, floors, and roofs are fitted together with secure joints. The SPA 3630 automatic grinding machine, featuring 3 brushes, delivers precise surface finishing with a working width of 40 to 630 millimeters and a thickness range up to 30 millimeters. Its robust design, including support columns and roller tables, ensures stability and accuracy. A colossal log is expertly cut into various sized pieces by a powerful saw, preparing it for the next stage of production. Each slice is precisely shaped to meet specific processing needs. In a dense, untamed forest, 2 skilled lumberjacks expertly coordinate their efforts to fell a colossal tree stump. As they work in harmony, their saws roar through the massive trunk, showcasing their precision and strength in this challenging task. Amidst snow-covered roads, trucks laden with timber cruise smoothly in a continuous line, navigating the wintry landscape with impressive efficiency. Introducing the ray-bowed 80-ton log splitter mounted on a robust agricultural chassis. This powerhouse combines immense splitting force with rugged durability, making it perfect for heavy-duty wood processing on the farm. Check out this vintage coconut lumber sawmill in action. It's crafted from homemade components. Watch as it transforms coconut logs into valuable lumber with classic time-tested techniques. To tackle a towering tree in the park, they opt for a methodical approach, carefully cutting the tree in sections from top to bottom. Each piece is then lowered to the ground using a specialized crane, ensuring a controlled and precise removal. The lumber industry transforms trees into essential raw materials, starting with careful logging and transport to sawmills. Once notorious for wasting over 70% of trees, the industry now thrives on sustainability, efficiently using nearly 100% of each tree. For debarking logs up to 795 millimeters in diameter, the Cambio 800 debarker with CIM 750 infeed and Camtril outfeed is your top choice. This machine excels in challenging sawmills and log yards with its durability, minimal service needs, and low running costs. The Doosan forklift effortlessly lifts massive logs from the yard into the production area. With its powerful performance and smooth handling, it makes the heavy lifting seem like a breeze. In a thrilling wood carving competition, watch as skilled artisans transform ordinary logs into extraordinary works of art. Each stroke of the tool reveals their craftsmanship and creativity, turning raw wood into stunning masterpieces. Get ready to be amazed by their talent. The Uniforest 85H Pro hydraulic forestry winch offers 8.5 tons of pulling power with convenient remote control, auto stop, and smart 3-in-1 functions. The Peerless CTR 750 EV effortlessly slices through even the largest trees with precision, delivering flawless cuts and saving time and effort. Say goodbye to labor-intensive methods. Each cut is swift and accurate, significantly boosting productivity. The Mabor VTZ Sawmill Factory is a cutting-edge, fully automated facility. It features double chipper canters, quad, and double vertical band saws, and advanced log scanning for optimal blade positioning and recovery. The V4F optimized edger handles up to 40 boards per minute, while the double-head RS300 resaw line ensures thorough processing. The Zilog 800 is a powerful circular saw and wood splitter combo. It features a 3-chain deck for effortless loading of large logs and a feed conveyor with dual V-shaped belts, each 15.7 inches wide and 157 inches long, ensuring smooth and efficient operation for all wood types. The TigerCat 480 stump grinder, powered by a 470 horsepower Cat C9 engine, tackles tough stumps and debris with ease. Its 48 hardened steel blades ensure fast, efficient grinding, while the hydraulic cutting blade and flexible mobility system make it perfect for clearing tree debris and other materials. This compact double-sided wood splitter features a TSN 0155 gearbox and a 5.5 kilowatt electric motor, making it perfect for splitting a carload of firewood daily. It combines efficiency and ease for everyday wood splitting tasks. Dutchman Industries revolutionized tree shifting with their spade trucks, making it easy to transplant large plants and trees. These spades, equipped with hydraulic systems, are now essential in nurseries and landscaping, allowing for efficient digging up to 100 inches. Finally, the Brack Forest P11 is the top choice for reliable planting. It ensures high-quality regeneration while being eco-friendly. The operator can customize planting beds for each plant, making it perfect for various soil types. First up, the Clearman Industries HD 852 Roster Debarker is designed for top-notch debarking performance. It features cast alloy steel bow wheels, durable 3/15/16" shafts, and heavy-duty carriage wheels on replaceable tracks. Powered by a 75 horsepower motor, it handles logs up to 52 inches in diameter efficiently.